Hi friends, welcome to Morgan's PowerPoint tutorial. Today we are going to design these kind of custom shape photo frame in PowerPoint. Within 1 minute we are going to create each of these designs. Also I am going to teach a bonus trick at end of this slide. So, hence don't skip the video, watch till the end to learn how to make all these 10 custom shape photo frames and the bonus trick. Let's go and see how it looks. I used morph transaction in this slides. This facility available only in Office 2019 and Office 365. The shape what we are going to design is going to be there in all the versions. Only the transition will not be there, but you can use other transition what is available in the Office 2010, 16 or 2013 versions. Let's go and learn how to make this in PowerPoint. Let's insert a blank slide. Right click, go to format background and change the background to solid fill to black color. We'll give a black color. Then we'll go to insert shapes. We'll take a rectangle, hold the shift button and drag it like this. Then we'll go to shape outline, or else we'll click here and we'll go to format shape. We'll go to line. There we'll give a width to 15 points and we'll give a compound type to option is thick thin. We have to select this border, thick thin border. So selected like this and we'll give the color. Maybe I wanted to give a pink color. Let's go to more color. Go to standard. I'm taking this border as this pink or purple color. We got this color and let's insert this. Let's copy the same, Control D, and we'll drag it little bit extra size like this and we'll right click and send it to back. We'll align this into center. We'll select each shape, align, align center, align middle. Again we'll send the align center and align middle. Now we'll give outer background color to instead of blue color we'll give a black color, and this one will give a picture or text fill. We'll go and click this and we'll insert a picture. I'm going to insert from stock images. Office 365 have this facility, but other version you just download your picture what you want to insert. I'm just searching for a girl, baby girl. I got this one, insert. So if you wanted to adjust the frame, you just go to this option, tile left right. You can, if I wanted to bring it up, you can just click it up, it will be coming. And if you wanted to go down, and if you wanted to stretch to left and stretch to right. So this way we are able to create one photo frame. I just wanted to tilt this shape to 45 degrees. Just click on this button and hold the alt button and right arrow. So it will be tilting like this again to 3 times. You wanted to tilt 3 times. Similarly, right other on alt button 1 arrow, right arrow, alt button, right arrow, 1, 2, 3. So this will give this image, it's tilted. There is option called rotate with shape check button. We have to uncheck this button. Then we have got this shape like this. If the frame is going out of slide area, just try to minimize it like this. Hold the shift button and reduce it. So now we have created one slide. I want to give some kind of glowing effect for this one. Right click, right background, go to gradient fill. So I'm using two black with three gradient stops, one, two black, and center I given the same pink color what I given. Let's give a glowing effect in the outer border. Let's click on the shape, go to this option, effects, give a glow. In that option, we'll select this last option, glow 18 point, and we'll give a same pink color. Now we have created the first frame. We already took some 4 minutes. Now we're going to change the shapes and we'll give a multiple frames. Let's see how to do one by one. Let's duplicate, right click, duplicate the slide, click on inner rectangle, right click, or we'll go to shape format. Here is called edit shape. Let's click on edit shape. There is a change shape option available. We'll click on shape, change shape, and we'll select the circle oval. So we got the one more new shape. We'll just hold it, drag it like this, and we'll put align middle, align center, align middle, align center. So now we got one more new shape. Let's, before duplicating, we have to put a transition to morph. If anybody is using 2019 and 2016, you can 2019 or Office 365, you can use morph. Otherwise, you can use other options. Now we'll change new another shapes, duplicate. We'll create this shape, Artin shape. We'll click right upper outer rectangle. Again, click on this, go to shape format, edit shape, change shape, and just will give a art shape over here. Art shape is available in this option. So we'll select this. This is tilted. So alt left like this 3 times and increase the shape like this. So we have got the next shape. So we got the third shape. Let's learn how to make this star shape. Let's duplicate again, outer border, right? Again we'll go to format, shape format, edit shape, and we'll search for the star. So this will be, this one will slightly will reduce the size. We'll put it in the center. So again we got the next shape. This one is going outer border, slightly if required we can reduce it, and we'll put a align center, align middle. So next we got the star option. Then we'll create this shape. Again go to right click, duplicate the slide, select shape format, edit shape, we'll go to the option called cross. We'll click on this one, again right click, go to shape format, edit shape, change shape, again we'll select the same. This one again we'll tilt it if required, we'll tilt it, alt button 3 times, and we'll if required we can increase the shapes like this and put it center. I forgotten to tell you one more thing. This outer we can give some different picture's background, right click, again we'll go to format shape, again go to picture or text fill, we'll go to insert, we'll take some images. I'll give some flower images if required. I'm searching for some flower. We'll put a flower. I'll select this one. So this will give a outer background. So now we'll create again one more duplicate. We'll make next patterns. We'll take a triangle. We'll make a duplicate. This one again, shape format. Go to edit shape, change. We'll give a triangle shape, triangle here. Again select here, go to edit shape, change shape and triangle. So this will give one more shape effect, and we'll put a center of it. If required, slightly if you wanted to adjust the picture, you can adjust the picture. Again, like this, within 1 minute, we can able to change each shapes as per our requirement. I made this more shapes. If you like to add more slides, you can do as per your wish. Then as I indicated, bonus trick, we'll go to new, we'll insert a new slide, blank slide. I downloaded a picture which you can wanted to copy any of the frames available from the net. You can download that, and if you wanted to insert that in this frame, you have to go to insert shapes, click on the rectangle, or you can take this one and you just drag it like this, and you just right click, format shape, go to picture, and you can select any of your picture. Paste in the frame and you can edit it. Okay friends, we have come to end of this tutorial. Today we learned how to make the photo frame using the custom shapes. If you like the video, please subscribe, like and share. If you wanted to get a new video notification, please click on the bell button.